Today, we're going to integrate CometChat with a React project using the Visual Builder. First, sign up for CometChat and create a new app. Once you've done that, go ahead and launch the Visual Builder. Let's start by customizing the colors to match the brand colors of our project. Next, set the font and the size based on what works best for your design. Once that's done, you can choose the theme: System, Light, or Dark. You can toggle between desktop and mobile view. Now, let's check out the layout sidebar. You can choose to show or hide it. If you show it, you can decide which tabs to display: conversations, call logs, users, and groups. Next, head over to the Chat Features tab and pick the features you want to enable. Just make sure you've also enabled them in the dashboard under Chats, then Features. Once your customizations are done, click the Download Code button. Extract the downloaded file and look for the CometChat folder. We'll need that in a bit. Now, open up Visual Studio and create a new React project. Test it out to make sure it's running fine. Now it's time to integrate CometChat. Step 1. Install the CometChat dependencies. Step 2. Copy that CometChat folder we talked about earlier into your React project. Then, replace the main.tsx file in your project with the one from the documentation. Now, head back to your CometChat dashboard and copy your app ID, app region, and auth key. Paste them into your main.tsx file. Use one of CometChat's sample user IDs to log the user in. And finally, copy the code and replace your app.tsx with it. Run the project, and that's it. You should now see CometChat running on your site.
This is CometChat. It is basically an embeddable system to give your app chat and video call functionality, which is pretty cool. Let's get into the review. CometChat is basically embeddable systems to build voice and video calling or text chatting. So if you need to have communications on an app that you're building, CometChat basically makes all that happen. They have a whole bunch of developer tools to get your system in, like APIs and SDKs, but what I am mostly interested in is the where is it? Widgets. This is what I'm most interested in. Simple and seamless no-code chat integration. So you can just set up messaging and calling super easily by just embedding their web app. The pricing on the first tier is pretty brutal. It's about $300, and I'll put that at a very high price. But they do have a free tier, and honestly, I'm super impressed. Up to 100 users, you get every single feature. You get everything. It's just a limitation on users. And no credit card required. Like, I'm very impressed with their free plan. I like that a lot. That's won a lot of points for me because I can absolutely test and experiment with this up to 100 users, which is kind of a lot. Now, this is what I want to see: widgets for simpler websites. Integrate chat into any simple HTML, Bootstrap, or jQuery. So I can just click plus here, and then I've made a chat widget, and I can customize it with a little bit of customization, not a ton, just like customization on icons and the color. And then I guess I just install it to custom. Yeah. All right, I'm kind of disappointed. It looks like they make it really simple for people that have WordPress. There's just a plugin, but for custom builds, there's like installation steps into the clone this repository. This is code stuff. It looks like very light code stuff, and then they give you the embed code with your information, but it doesn't seem as no code as I wanted it to be. I'm sure I could figure out how to add this though to like stuff like card. I'm putting the ease of use as hard. The installation looks like it's pretty complex unless it's on WordPress, which is disappointing. I'm kind of debating between 3 or 4, but I think I'm going to give it 4 stars. It's hard to use, it's expensive, and the embed isn't super intuitive for no code. But it's video chat. You get video chat inside of your app. That's so cool and so difficult to do. It's a big complex tech thing that's going on. So I'm impressed with what it offers, and I really like their generous free tier. But overall, seems like there could definitely be better tools out there. If you like this review, go to beta.co. It is my big list of no-code tools where every single review that I do like this, I'm adding to a database that you can sort through to find the best tools that do the best stuff for whatever project you're working on. Thanks for watching.